Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video yesterday, and then I just made another one just a little while ago on how to segregate the inside corners from the outside corners. And yesterday I broke these apart, and that would be a lot more trouble. So the best way to do this would be to, with your shape tool, select all of them, and then hold down your shift key and deselect the inside, and then hit apply. And now only your outside corners are rounded and you have not broken anything apart. So let's go over that one more time. I'm going to close this window just in case you haven't watched the other videos. Go to Windows, Dockers, Fillet, Scallop, and Chamfer. Select all this. Hold down the Shift key and it will deselect the inside and then hit apply. And then that way your corners are rounded. Now you could probably do the same thing. Let's do the inside corners this time. So you could just select them and then hit them. But you could also, if you had a more complicated scenario and you want to do the inside, you could select them all and then with your shift key select, nope, I'm not holding down my shift key. So let's back up here. Hold down your with your shape tool, then hold down the shift key and deselect these, so you could do a more complicated scenario and then hit apply and it's going to do your inside corners. Same thing on the outside corners. If you wanted to do the round, same thing. You're going to select it all and then just select that and do your inside corners. Or if you just want one corner, just select that one corner and hit select. Then you could do individual corners one at a time if you didn't want to do them all at the same time. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.